Uno, Masters of the Universe, How to Play. This game plays the same as regular Uno except for these changes. For a refresher of the rules, check out this video. The new rules are as follows. Each type of card is themed with a different image. The Power of Greyskull card is a wild that may be played on any card. When you play a Power of Greyskull, first hold it over your head and proclaim, "By the power of Greyskull, I have the power." Then lay the card on the discard pile and every other player must draw 3 cards. Then you get to pick the color that resumes play. At the beginning of the game, if a Power of Greyskull card is the first card flipped, then the player to the left of the dealer may play any card on it. At the end of the game, each Power of Greyskull card left in an opponent's hand is worth 50 points.